Hello, welcome to 3-Minute Tour Channel. Thank you for joining us. Here, we embark on fantastic journeys to breathtaking destinations worldwide. Through our videos, we share exciting travel experiences, provide essential tips and hidden gems, all while aiming to make you feel like you're traveling right alongside us. Get ready to indulge in amazing adventures with 3-Minute Tour Channel. If you're looking for the top 5 must-visit restaurants in Luang Prabang for a smooth and fun dining experience, here are some recommendations. Tamarind Restaurant. Tamarind offers a delightful blend of traditional Lao flavors with a modern twist. The restaurant offers cooking classes where you can learn to prepare authentic Lao dishes and enjoy a delicious meal afterward. L'Elephant Restaurant. L'Elephant is a charming French restaurant located in a beautifully restored colonial building. The menu features a mix of French and Lao dishes, prepared with locally sourced ingredients. The cozy ambiance and excellent service make it a great choice for a memorable dining experience. Dian Sabai Restaurant. Situated on the banks of the Nam Khan River, Dian Sabai offers a unique dining experience. You can sit on traditional mats on the floor or opt for regular tables. The restaurant serves a variety of Lao and international dishes, while providing breathtaking views of the river and surrounding mountains. Coconut Garden Restaurant. Nestled in a lush tropical garden, Coconut Garden is known for its relaxing atmosphere and delicious Lao cuisine. The menu includes a range of traditional dishes, made with fresh local ingredients. Don't miss their signature dish, Luang Prabang salad, which is a must-try. Bamboo Tree Restaurant. Located in the heart of Luang Prabang's Old Town, Bamboo Tree offers a fusion of Lao and Western flavors. The restaurant features a stylish and contemporary setting, with a menu that caters to a variety of tastes. From burgers and pizzas to traditional Lao dishes, there's something for everyone. Remember to check the operating hours and make reservations in advance, especially during peak tourist seasons, to ensure a smooth and enjoyable dining experience. Subscribe and like. Have a wonderful day today as well. Thank you.